Welcome to entertainment news. Zimbabwe successful content creator Tytie has surprised his beloved wife Kikie with a very expensive two-door fridge worth around 20,000 rand, around 1,000 US dollars. Taking to social media platform, Tytie said, "I surprised my wife with a Valentine and birthday gift." Tytie also said, "Enjoy your day, my love. Thank you for being mine. Thank you for standing by me since day one. Trust me, I will love you forever, no matter what." That is Tytie speaking right there after he bought an expensive gift for his wife Kikie for Valentine's Day and also for her birthday celebration. Wow, what Tytie did right there is very, very impressive. We are very much impressed, and it's also inspiring other people out there. Kuti aiwa surprise aiwa vakadzi venyu kunzoku. Hey guys, even a chocolate usina mari, you can surprise munhu wako ne chocolate chaicho, Cadbury kana Kit Kat. You know what? Yeah, she'll be very, very happy. It's not about ndina mari yakana kuti rishamisire ziva iri. Rinotoshamisira guys, ndosika richitocelebratewa. The fact that no celebrate zviro rinotoshamisira. So be romantic, especially men out there. Surprise even venue nai, surprise vasikana venyu, surprise vakadzi venyu nai. And before I go, I have a question for single people. Muri kuzvigona seiko? Muri kuzvigona seiko ma singles out there? Kana kuti Jehovah ndiye mufudzi wenyu. Muri kuzvigona seiko? You know what, ma singles handigoni kuimba zvenyu, but kanimbo kuimbirai ma singles. Kanimbo kuimbirai song yekuti mufudzi. Ma singles mufudzi ndiye Jehovah anokuchengeta, apana chamunoshaya muchivi banaye. Pavale musina chamawana, musazvidye moyo nokuti Jesu anemi anokunyaradza.